Hello, hello. What are today's messages and what do we need to hear today? Let's pick some cards and see what we get. Nature. Go outside and breathe the fresh air. Nature is perfection, even with its imperfection. It is magical. A forest needs old trees and new trees. It is a perfect balance. Immerse yourself in the middle of it all. Know that you are perfectly placed, just where you are. And what else do we need to hear? Pure joy, exhilaration, laughter, and exuberance. Pure joy. Have you been seeing hummingbirds lately? I am capable of achieving anything I put my mind to. I am strong. I am wise. I am healthy. And the last card for today before we look at our quotes. Unraveled path. Transition with grace, embracing the unfolding process of transformation. Threaded transitions. And today's quotes. You have exactly the right amount of smarts to accomplish all that you will do while you're here. Sometimes you meet someone and you know from the first moment that you want to spend your whole life without them. Have you ever had that happen to you? Saving $8 per day equals $3,000 per year. Reading 20 pages per day equals about 30 books per year. Walking 10,000 steps per day equals about 70 marathons per year. Never underestimate the power of small habits. Become more mindful. Seek out the things you would like more of. Peaceful people, loving souls, and adventurous spirits. And the last one today. Practice forgiveness. It frees you, you'll feel better, and you'll have more space for things that truly matter. You'll be more peaceful and joyful. Start small. Just start practicing today. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.